ultimate Amazon summer favorites haul, fashion favorites in here that are going to get you through spring and summer of 2024. Some of my all-time favorite items, clothing items. Some of these are brand new, so you're going to make sure to stay tuned to the end. We also have some really great, like, expensive designer looks for less that I have been loving recently. So like always, everything will be linked down below in the description box, correlating with the number that you see here on the screen, as well as it will be pinned as the top comment down the comment section below. Let's go ahead and jump on into item number one. Speaking of high quality, expensive looks for less, I have shared these trouser pants now in I think 4 or 5 colors here over the last couple months. They are just the best workwear option slash just like trouser pant. You could throw this on with a graphic tee and some cute sneakers for more of like a casual look, but these are great to use for date night, for, you know, a dressier occasion you might have. They come in petite and tall sizing. The fabric is incredible. They are zip fly, and then they do have a stretchy waistband as well, so they're comfortable to wear all day long, and they have that very on-trend wide pant fit right now, and they do feature pockets, so just an absolute must-have. If you have not tried these, definitely give them a try, and they come in probably every single color. And every good wardrobe needs a good no-show underwear. This pack on Amazon is so good. Now I have 2 options. I have a brief, more fuller coverage option. They're still seamless and no-show. They come in a pack of 5. Wide range of different color options, but they're fantastic. And if you're looking for more of a thong, seamless style, I recommend this pack. So I love both of these because you can't see them when you wear leggings. You can't see them when you're wearing tighter fitting clothes. Even like the trouser pants that I just shared, oftentimes like panty line seams can show through on those. So here are 2 great options. I have tried out so many pairs of denim on Amazon. This light wash pair is hands down my absolute favorite. I wear these jeans all the time, more than like expensive jeans. Gap is a newer brand to Amazon, and these always run on deal, and they've sold out multiple times every time I share them over on Instagram. So they do run true to size, and guess what? They come in petite and tall sizing. So I am 5'9". I wear my true to size 26 long, and they fit beautifully. I've also shared them in the dark wash version. Great quality as well, kind of across the board. I know sometimes with different denim fabrics, depending on the color, like the fabric can kind of change. So I feel like this particular style has been very consistent across different color washes. So if you need a new pair of light wash spring summer jeans, check these out. I always like to have a few blouse options that I can wear dressy and casual, and I have just been loving this flutter sleeve sweater top. It's perfect to wear casually with jeans. I've also shared it in the brown and black option. As you can see, I'm wearing with some light wash jeans, and then I have also worn these with like the trouser pants for more of a dressier workwear style. So I'm wearing my true to size small here. The fabric is really, really nice. I love the sleeve ruffle detail going on here. It comes in a wide range of color options, and it's just been one of my favorites recently. And I feel like the style of this is very chic and elegant. It features a really nice modest high neckline. It's the perfect length that you can kind of front tuck it, or you can wear it out. When it comes to the warmer months, I like to have some pant options that I can throw on that are not denim jeans and that are not leggings. So opt for these linen wide leg pants with a stretchy elastic waistband. I am telling you guys, there is a reason these are a bestseller on Amazon. I'm wearing my true to size medium in these pants here. Perfect fit on my 5'9" frame. Come in a ton of different color options. And these pants actually often have like a coupon that you can click. And if you love all things like promo codes, sales, and things like that, make sure to follow over my Instagram stories. I upload a ton of Amazon deals with promo codes, special discounts that you won't see anywhere else. So definitely follow over on Instagram if you're interested in that. But these are one of my favorite pants. Trust me, they're just that pant that you put on. You feel like you're wearing your pajamas. They're cool in a nice lightweight fabric, but they're different than just like your typical jean or legging, which I personally love. And they're also a little bit dressier. Definitely for business casual environments, you could utilize these as well. Must have. And speaking of summer favorites, I could not go without mentioning my favorite cooling sheets. So I have tried, I'm sure you've tried so many different bedding, so many different sheet options, and I kid you not, these by the Bedro brand on Amazon, they're cooling. They feel so luxurious. this. I mean, I have washed these, I feel like over 100 times, and they still have that really soft, buttery fabric. They're really good at temperature regulating. So if you're hot, it kind of regulates it. If you're cold, I feel like it kind of just feels cozy against your skin. I don't know what it is and how it works, but they come at right under $45, less expensive if you have a smaller bed option because we have a king size bed. So obviously the queen would be a little bit less, and then so on and so forth. They come in all of the color options. Trust me, these, like, once you try these sheets, you won't go back. I am here to tell you, you do not need to spend what Skims would be for a good bodysuit. Amazon has some of my favorite bodysuit tank tops. Like I said, with the shorts, it's easy to throw one of these on with a pair of denim shorts, and you just have an easy summer outfit. You don't have to think about, you're put together. You can throw on some jewelry with it, which I will share these in just a second. But I love this particular brand on Amazon. They have a wide range of different styles. This one is a short sleeve. This one just kind of goes right off the shoulder. Love mango pop. Gotta have a classic white. So I will have all of my go-tos from Amazon. Your wardrobe needs a good bodysuit this spring and summer. When I think of summer, I think of like bronzed, glowy skin, and these two products have been my go-to for at least 2 or 3 summers now. Seriously, this combo, I've tried out so many self tanners and all of the body, like little tanners and things like that. And I stand by loving tan. I think it's going to be impossible for me to find another one that I like better, but I love the dark and the ultra dark. Both of them are a really great option. I self tan about once a week. The color is incredible. It doesn't come off streaky. It's a nice brown color. I just love it. And then guys, if you need like an instant body blur, you're wearing a dress, you have an event, and you want a little bit of like a glowy bronze skin, this body blur by Vita Liberata is incredible. Now they just recently changed their packaging. So when you click on the link down below, it'll be like a white container with some like brown lettering on it. It's the same product, they just changed the packaging. But a little bit goes a long way. You just need a little dab of this, mix it with your lotion, put it wherever, on your chest, on your legs, on your arms, and it just gives the most gorgeous, like it's a body makeup, so it kind of just like blurs any imperfections, gives you a little bit of a glow, and it's the most beautiful brown color. So this combo is a summer must-have. And during the summer, I feel like with the sun, being outside more, I get drier lips, and so this Laneige lip balm is my absolute go-to. It comes in a few different, like, I don't even know what you call them, flavor options. I don't know. This is the gummy bear, and it gives the most perfect, just like sheen to your lips, very hydrating. I'm obsessed with their like night balm as well. I use it every single night, and it just gives that plump, healthy looking glow that you want your lips to have for the summer. To switch things up in the summer, I love a good athletic dress, and I've tried out a bunch. This style is my favorite. First of all, can we talk about this scallop neckline? It is stunning. It does have the thicker straps there, but it does have a built-in bra, which is great, and the shorts are removable. So I know that's a big thing with people. You don't like to completely take down your whole outfit when you go to the bathroom. If you have to go to the bathroom, you just pull the shorts down and you're good to go. I am wearing size medium, which is my true to size in dresses, and it's perfect. I've shared it in the orange and the green, more of a pop of color for the warmer months, but it comes in a wide range of color options, available in extra small through extra large. And it is machine washable. So it's kind of like the perfect combo between like athletic and girly. It'll be a favorite. Now I have 2 sandal options that I absolutely love, and I feel like both of these are really good. Expensive look for less. I love this particular pair because it dresses up looks. As you can see, it kind of has that gorgeous gold rhinestones going around it and then a gold chain here. I always size up 1/2 size on sandals, so I go with a 9.5, just so my feet don't fall off the back. But this does come in a wide range of color options, just an easy sandal you can throw on, but it also dresses up looks a little bit more. Another option is this toe sandal. I was not expecting to love and wear these as much as I do when I had ordered them. They're so comfortable to walk in. Toe is really comfortable. This is like a really soft kind of mesh material, which is great, and the cushion is awesome. So this is by one of my favorite shoe brands on Amazon. So I knew that this brand was really good, but I didn't know if I was gonna love this style, and I do. So again, wearing a 9.5 fit here. It comes in more color options, but you can't go wrong with a good neutral. It'll go with everything. Your shorts, your dresses, your jeans, you name it. One of my most worn dresses, go-to easy casual dress, is this denim dress. Now I've shared it in the long sleeve as well as the short sleeve version here. I just picked up this new color for the summer months a few weeks back, and I've been wearing it probably way too much, but the fabric is so good on it. I love the tiered design in the back. The length is perfect, wearing size medium on this, but it's just one of those dresses that's so easy to style. You can wear this with sandals, you can wear this with sneakers, you can dress it up for date night. The options are endless. It comes in a whole bunch of different color options, so definitely check those out. I have it in the baby pink too, and I tell you, every single time I wear that dress out, people always compliment me on that dress. So this one will be a go-to for you this season. And if you have seen me on Instagram stories or watched any of my recent Amazon fashion videos, you have seen these on repeat. I am obsessed with these little espadrille sandals. I feel like it's really hard to find little platform sandals like this that are easy to walk in, and these are so comfortable and cute. I love styling these with dresses, but then just like a pair of jeans, I feel like it kind of dresses up a look a little bit. A short denim skirt, these are adorable with. I did go with my true to size in these. They fit perfectly. They come in a few colors. But I mean, honestly, having just like a tan espadrille style summer sandal, you can wear these on vacation, you can wear them every day, you can wear them to date night. They're just an awesome sandal that I reach for all of the time. And we all need a good warm weather bag. This one is incredible because it's so versatile. You can wear this for work and you can use this as an everyday bag. Like, the quality on this tote bag is incredible. It's like a really nice I don't even know what to describe, woven detail on this. The quality is just really good. It's a one shoulder detail, so you don't have to worry about like the straps falling off of your shoulder. I feel like it kind of just like lays really nicely. It does have a magnetic closure there. And then I love this, but it comes with a little insert in here so you can put like your smaller items like your keys, any notes you might have, your wallet, a snack, something like that. You can keep in here that you don't kind of want moving all around in your bag. Stunning bag. It comes in more color options, and I feel like this cream is like summer perfection. But if you have any summer trips coming up, you are a mom, you go to the pool a lot, this bog bag, I mean, it took me, I saw so many of my friends raving about it, and I was like, it can't be that great. It's amazing. So basically, you can take this outside if you're playing outside in dirt. You can take this in the sand, and it's just so easy to clean. So easy to clean. So I have the extra large size. It's easy to, it has a hard sole on the bottom, so it stays up. It's not one of those bags that's gonna fall to the side, which is awesome. And you can fit so much in here. It's incredible. It comes in probably every single different color option. And then I also have some fun accessories I had paired with this bag too that I really like. Like, I have a keychain holder, I have a cup holder, and a little bag insert that I also can share with you guys. Now, if you're looking for a little bit of a smaller, like dressier date night bag, opt for this one. This is by one of my favorite clothing brands on Amazon, The Drop. It has this really gorgeous leather handle. I love the detailing here, very summer-esque with a rattan style. It does have a removable strap, so you can wear this as a crossbody bag, which I absolutely love as well. And you can fit so much in this bag. It has a ton of room as well as pockets. You can fit all of your necessities as well as a big wallet that I put in here, as well as like some zipper closures as well. So you can wear it, you know, across your shoulder. You can wear it on the crook of your arm for a little bit of a dressier look. Lots of options, but the quality is really, really good and definitely gives me expensive looks for less. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to give this a thumbs up. Let me know if you have had a favorite that you have been loving from Amazon recently. I would love to know. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We talk Amazon here a couple times a week, and honestly, we just have so much fun. So I'd love to have you join, and I will see you all next time. Bye.